loved you since pretty much our first time we ever went on a date. And I'll love you forever. I like it.
Alright, good. I'm happy that's it, because it's all good, but beautiful.
Took a bit. There's a lot of dress.
I can see. When you tell me that you love me, I'll often respond with, I love you more. What you need to understand is that every time I say I love you more, it's not a comparison between my love and yours. Doesn't mean I love you more than you love me. It means I love you more than anything or anyone on this earth. It means I love you more than good days we'll have, bad days we'll have, more than any hardship that comes our way. And Jesus loves us more than we could ever love him back. My desire always be to love you and treat you like a daughter of Christ, and to love you more than you could ever love me back.
I promise to love you. You're all that life gives, through the good, especially the bad. I promise to stand by your side in love and support. I will put God first in our marriage and strive to be a godly wife. Through the good and the bad, I will be there with you. In it all, to love, support, and comfort you, and to care for you.
Oh no!
Got some stuff.
Dear Lord, thank you for this wonderful day we've been longing and waiting for. Thank you for that it's finally here. May you enjoy our lives together, putting you at the center of our lives, Lord.
And we ask that as they enter into this adventure we call marriage, that you would be with them through the tough times that are bound to come, that you would also keep them humble and relying on you in the good times. Naomi, you're one of 7 girls. Nick, you're one of 1. And so that'll impact how you parent, how you do things moving forward. Today, you two are creating a new family. From here on out, you will be considered one. They are now intertwined and unified, and nobody can ever separate that. If I have faith that can move mountains, but do not have love, I am nothing. Love is patient, love is kind, It is not self-seeking. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. Before God and these witnesses, I pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride. Mr. and Mrs. Nicholas Faith.
I am willing.